Assalamualaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today, I am going to take English language class for the students of Class 2 on the topic of Chapter 21, Short Forms. Students, I am repeating the topic. Today, our topic is Chapter 19, Short Forms. This is our 10th lecture and 9th is W. I am repeating, this is our 10th lecture and 9th is W. Students, take your new Enjoying Grammar book and open page number 63. Short forms. Today, we'll learn about it and then we'll do some exercise. For this, take your book and writing elements. Let's start. Chapter 19, Short Forms. First, you have to know what is short form. When we don't use full form and use this type of words, it is called short forms. When we speak, we say instead of I am, that's, instead of that is. Look here, I am, that is. These are full form and the short form of these are that's. These are known as short forms. So that's. These are known as short forms. Here are a few more short forms which we often use while speaking. Look here, in this row I have written full form and this side I have written short form. So first I am saying the full form. I am, you are, he is, he will, it is, we are, they are, cannot. These are full forms and now learn about the short form. I am. I am, the short form of I am will be am. Say with me, I am will be am. You are, the short form will be your. You are. You are will be you are. He is, his. He is, his. He will, he'll. He will, he'll. It is, its. It is, its. We are, we are. We are, we are. They are, they are. They are, they are. Cannot, can't. Cannot, can't. Students, be careful about the short form of can't. Here we find two N, and while writing short form you have to erase one N and O. So the spelling will be C-A-N apostrophe T. Can't. Now students will do some exercise. The question is, rewrite the sentences using short forms. Number 1, I am an Indian. Students, you have to write the short forms and the whole sentence. So, we know I am. The short form of I am is am. No need to write A. Instead of A, we'll put inverted comma. So, the sentence will be am an Indian. Look, we write the short form of I am and then write the rest of the sentence. Now come to number 2. They are my friends. They are. You have to write the short form of they are and then rest of the sentence. We know that they are will be like this. They, then apostrophe, then are, E. They are. Now, rest of the sentence, my friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. They are my friends. Number 3. What is Rina doing? You have to write the short form of what is. We know that the short form of what is what's. W-H-A-T, and we don't write I, we give inverted comma and then we'll write is. What's. What is will be what's. What's Rina doing? R-E-E-N-A, Rina, D-O-I-N-G, doing. So the sentence will be what's Rina doing, and what's we write instead of what is. Now come to number 4. That is my school. You know that is, this is full form and the short form of that is that's. So the spelling is T-H-A-T apostrophe S. That's. Now rest of the sentence. That's my school. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. That is my school will be that's my school. Number 5. I cannot solve this sum. Students, I will write the subject I. Then we have to write the short form of cannot. And we have learned that the short form of cannot is can't. C-A-N apostrophe T. Can't. And be careful about this spelling. I can't solve, S-O-L-V-E, solve this sum, S-U-M, sum. Then the sentence will be I can't solve this sum. Number 6. She will be in class 3 next year. So she will. You have to write the short form of she will. She will be like this, S-H-E. Then you have to write apostrophe, then double L. She'll. She will be she'll. She'll be in class 3 next year. Rest of the sentence. She'll be in class 3 next year. I'm writing in next line, next year. So the sentence will be she'll be in class 3 next year. Students, now say the sentences again with me. I'm an Indian. They are my friends. What's Rina doing? That's my school. I can't solve this sum. She'll be in class 3 next year. Students, this will be your homework. I'm repeating, your homework will be exercise 1 to 6. That means from 1 to 6. This given exercise will be your homework. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number at the top of the corner of your copy. Our lecture number is 10 and homework number is 9. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your copies on every Sunday and collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious about your homeworks because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.